Walk muna, walk. 5 km in less than 20 minutes yung target ko. Sana makaya. Start na tayo mag-run. 5k lang, 5k. 1 km 4 and 30 seconds. Tuloy pa tayo. 2 km 9 minutes and 16 seconds. Run pa tayo. 3 km 14 minutes and 17 seconds. Whew! Run pa tayo. 19 minutes and 50 seconds. 4 km. Hey! Guys, na-hit ko pala yung 5 km under 26 minutes. By the way, mission failed nga pala tayo. Ay, sorry guys.